Hello, it's Mujiba here. I'm on the Amazon UK site and I'm looking at some iPhone charger cables. These are cables that come in a pack of 3 and they come in lengths of 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meters. So let me just show you the 1 meter one is approximately 3 feet and the 2 meter ones are approximately 6 feet and 3 meter ones are approximately 10 feet in length. So they come in varying lengths from 1 meter to 3 meters. The 3 meter one is extremely long, 10 feet. Okay, let's look at the prices for these. The 1 meter pack of 3 costs $7.99 and you can get it on Amazon Prime, free next day delivery. And the 2 meter ones pack of 3 costs $8.89 and you can also get these on Amazon Prime, next day free delivery. And the 3 meter 10 feet 3 pack of cables, you can buy these for $10.89 and you can get these on Prime, next day free delivery. And let me just show you some images of this is the actual cable image. That's the inside of the cable. That's how you can bend it around items and loop it around things like that. Showing you it's quite flexible and durable. And if you've got a cat in your house, it was most probably going to try to chew through it, but the cable is quite sturdy. It's going to give some resistance. And these are some images of the cable inserted into different phones and products, Apple products. And this is these are some of the Apple product range that you can use to charge using this charger cable. And it's showing a perfect 6 feet for long distance usage. Okay, you can relax on your sofa and use your phone while it's charging. Let's just go through some of this. Okay, fast USB fast charging, and it's compatible with iPhone 11 Pro XS, Max X, 8, 7 Plus, 6S, 6 SE, 5S, iPad and more. And on the about this item section it says creative new construction. Okay, these have been gone through all these tests. Perfect compatibility, it's showing that it's compatible with most of these Apple devices. 2.4 amp fast charge and sync. It prevents overheating and overcharging. Okay, perfect length up. Okay, 10 feet, up to 10 feet. And warranty policy, we have a 12-month service. Okay, 12 months warranty you get from them. Okay, and The rating is 4.4 out of 5. This is a really good rating, considering that the rating is out of 22,829 ratings. So a lot of people have bought this product and submitted their ratings. These are only the people that have submitted their ratings, so thousands have bought these cables. Let's go down to the reviews section. Okay, let's look at the customer questions and answers. Will it charge iPhone 12? It's saying yes, it's saying it will charge it. Is it compatible with iPad 6? It's saying yeah, it is. Will it charge iPhone 5? It's saying it will charge iPhone 5. Okay. Okay, is this compatible with the iPad 6th generation? Okay, saying yes, it is. So if we look at the customer reviews, it's got 68% have given it 5-star, 16% have given it 4-star rating, 7% have given it 3-star rating, and 3% have given it 2-star rating, and 6% have given it 1-star rating. And if you look at the by feature, charging power has got a rating of 4.1 out of 5, sturdiness 4 out of 5, durability 3.9 out of 5, and value for money 3.9 out of 5. And if we look at the reviews from the UK, top reviews, so the first review is showing really bad, but you're going to get this on reviews of all products. You have to go through the overall reviews. So the next one is saying I chose you. Okay, it's giving it 5-star. The next one, another 5-star. A great alternative to Apple. And someone is saying better than the Apple charger. I don't know if it's going to be better than the Apple charger. I'd be happy if it's as good as the Apple charger. Okay, great cables, nice premium feeling cable for little money. So you're getting these at the fraction of the cost compared to original Apple charging cables. It's a good alternative. And you get 3 packs, a pack of 3. The 1-meter one at $7.99, and the 2-meter ones at $8.89, and the 3-meter cables at $10.89. So overall, I think it's a good buy if you're looking for iPhone charger cables, and you get a pack of 3 for this price. So if you're looking for an iPhone charger cable, I'll leave the link in the description below the video. You can follow the link and order these, and you can get it on Amazon Prime. You can get it, if you order today, you can get it the next day. Thanks for watching the video.